Have you ever woken up with a lingering memory of a dream wedding, a sparkling ring adorning your finger? Or perhaps you dreamt of losing your precious wedding band, a jolt of panic rising in your chest as you searched in vain. Wedding rings, more than just a piece of jewelry, hold immense symbolic weight in our waking lives. But what about their presence in the dreamscape? Does a wedding ring dream signify happily ever after, or is there a deeper message waiting to be unraveled? Remember to subscribe and join us as we delve into the world of wedding ring dreams. We'll explore the various interpretations, from commitment and new beginnings to anxieties and subconscious desires. So, snuggle up and unlock the secret language of your wedding ring dreams. Wedding ring dreams aren't just about happily ever afters. While they often symbolize commitment and new beginnings, they can also delve into anxieties and hidden desires. These circular symbols of unity hold powerful meaning in our waking lives. But what message do they carry in the land of dreams? In our waking world, wedding rings represent a promise to be together forever. This translates into dreams as well, with the ring's round shape mirroring the idea of eternal love. But the dream meaning goes beyond just marriage. For those already married, a wedding ring dream might reflect a period of dissatisfaction or challenges in the relationship. Perhaps the dream is nudging you to address any underlying issues and work together to overcome them. So, what does it mean to dream about a wedding ring? The answer, like love itself, can be multifaceted. It could symbolize anything from deep love to a simple reminder to manage your finances better. Wedding ring dreams can be a curious mix of symbolism and personal reflection. While seeing a ring on your own finger might not guarantee a trip down the aisle anytime soon, it can be a positive sign for those seeking love. This dream suggests that someone special might be on the horizon, ready to sweep you off your feet. But don't fret if happily ever after isn't your current goal. The dream could simply be foreshadowing a wedding within your close circle, with a friend or family member taking the plunge. On the other hand, dreaming of a wedding ring on someone else's finger is generally a sign of good things to come. The future seems to be brimming with positive changes and exciting developments, even if they might appear daunting at first. The dream's specific meaning can be further unraveled by considering who's wearing the ring. If it adorns the finger of a family member, they might be facing some challenges or uncertainties in their life. This dream could be a nudge for you to reach out and offer them your support and love. However, if the ring sits proudly on a friend's finger, it could symbolize a momentous occasion in their journey. Perhaps they're about to embark on a big move, start a new chapter in their career, or simply experience a turning point in their life's path. Dreaming of buying a wedding ring can be a confusing experience. On the one hand, it might be a wake-up call from your subconscious about your finances. The dream could be a gentle nudge to be more mindful of your spending and prioritize saving for the future. Unexpected situations can arise, and having a financial safety net can help you avoid unnecessary stress. However, there's another layer to this dream. It could also symbolize the importance of staying true to your path. Are you letting other people's opinions or expectations sway your decisions? This dream might be urging you to take control and confidently navigate your own course in life. Now, let's talk about giving a wedding ring in your dream. Here, the interpretation hinges on the recipient. If you dreamt of giving a ring to someone and felt a sense of unease, it could symbolize incompatibility. Perhaps this dream is a prompt to take a closer look at your relationship and ensure you're truly aligning with someone who shares your values and goals. Remember, open communication is key to avoiding any potential heartache. On the other hand, giving a wedding ring in a dream can also carry a very positive message. If you felt happy and secure while giving the ring, it signifies a deep well of love, loyalty, and commitment for that person. This dream might reflect your desire for a serious and long-lasting relationship with them. Wedding ring dreams often come in different colors, and each shade can add another layer of meaning to your experience. Dreaming of a gold wedding ring can be a cause for celebration. It might symbolize good news on the horizon, particularly related to love and relationships. The gold color suggests you might have found, or are about to find, your perfect partner, someone who complements you perfectly and makes you feel complete. This dream could be a sign that a lasting and fulfilling relationship is on the cards. On the other hand, a silver wedding ring in your dream takes a different turn. While it doesn't necessarily point towards your love life, the silver color signifies something quite positive: personal growth. This dream could be a reflection of your tireless efforts and dedication to self-improvement. You've been working hard, and the dream suggests that you've finally reached a point of accomplishment and fulfillment. It's a time to cherish your achievements and appreciate the precious journey you've been on. Finally, receiving a ring in your dream can also hold different meanings depending on your relationship status. If you're already married, a dream of someone giving you a ring suggests a period of happiness and stability in your relationship. Enjoy this peaceful and secure phase in your life. However, if you're single, receiving a ring in your dream might symbolize success in your love life. Perhaps you'll finally win over the heart of your crush, or maybe you're about to meet someone special who sparks joy in your life. Dreaming of selling wedding rings can be a nudge to let go of the past. It might symbolize the need to move on from past relationships or lingering hurts before opening yourself up to new love. This dream could be urging you to forgive past grudges, break free from negative attachments, and embrace the future with an open heart. Only then can you truly be ready to love again. Pawning a wedding ring in your dream can be a cause for concern. It often reflects feelings of financial instability or a sense of desperation. The dream might also point towards feeling undervalued or unappreciated in your current relationship. Perhaps you're questioning your partner's commitment, or there's a lack of security in the bond you share. This dream could be a prompt to have an open and honest conversation with your partner to address any underlying issues. In some cases, pawning a wedding ring in a dream might even symbolize contemplating the end of the marriage. Losing your wedding ring in your dream can be interpreted in a few ways. On the positive side, it could signify that a great love is on the horizon for you. However, there's another possibility. The dream might highlight potential disagreements within your family that could create tension in your love life. This dream serves as a gentle reminder to prioritize your relationship and not let outside influences interfere with your happiness. Be mindful of those around you and ensure your communication with your partner remains strong. Throwing a wedding ring in your dream can be a powerful symbol with a complex meaning. Here's how to unpack it. Betrayal or loss. The act of throwing the ring suggests a deep sense of betrayal or loss. Perhaps you feel abandoned or rejected by someone you love. This dream could also highlight trust issues that are causing you emotional distress. Moving forward. However, the dream doesn't have to be all doom and gloom. Throwing away the ring can also be seen as a symbolic act of letting go. It might be a sign that you're ready to move on from a difficult situation or relationship. By clearing space in your life, you open yourself up to the possibility of meeting new and important people who will bring more joy and fulfillment. Remember, dreams are often metaphorical messages from your subconscious. While throwing a wedding ring might seem like a negative sign, it can also be a nudge towards growth and positive change. In conclusion, wedding rings, powerful symbols of commitment in our waking lives, hold surprising complexity in the dreamscape. They can represent not just happily ever afters, but anxieties, new beginnings, and hidden desires. Delve into the various interpretations of wedding ring dreams, from the joy of finding love to the need for self-reflection. Whether you dream of a ring on your own finger, someone else's, or the act of giving or losing one, this exploration will help you unlock the secret language of your subconscious and the messages it whispers through the night.